Hi, Mandy here with SmileFix. I just wanted to take a moment to show you what you will get and can expect with the SmileFix Temporary Filling, Cap, Crown, and Bridge Dental Cement Kit. The SmileFix Standard Temporary Filling, Cap, Crown, and Bridge Dental Cement Kit is for those who want to replace a filling that has fallen out, fill a damaged tooth, or need to cement your fallen out cap, crown, or bridge. SmileFix Filling and Cement comes with SmileFix Part A, SmileFix Part B, a 3-piece dental tool set with tweezers, a double-sided explorer tool, as well as a mirror, spatula, and thorough instructions. If your teeth look like one of these, then this is the product for you. Remember, this product is not glue, and it will not glue a broken tooth back together. This product is intended to be a temporary repair until you can get to your dentist. Whatever your needs, you can smile again with SmileFix.
Oh no! SmileFix!